Welcome to Dual Price Display app. In this video tutorial, we'll guide you through configuring the app so you can display dual prices seamlessly in your store. From your Shopify admin, navigate to the Apps section and click on Dual Price Display to access the app dashboard. On the dashboard, the first option you'll see is to enable the app embed. Simply click on it. This will redirect you to the customized theme settings of your store. Locate the Dual Price Display app and enable the app embed. Don't forget to hit the Save button. Next, we'll configure the app settings. In your admin, go to Settings and find the General Settings section. We'll set up the currency formatting. Under the Change Currency Formatting section, you need to update the HTML with currency and HTML without currency options by adding a small snippet of code. You'll find this code in the app's documentation. Since the store currency is INR, I have added the currency symbol for rupees. You can make adjustments based on your store's currency. And that's it. You've successfully configured the dual pricing functionality. Head back to the app dashboard. Under Settings, you can fine-tune whether the product's base price is inclusive or exclusive of tax, set the tax rate, and configure other preferences according to your needs. In the Design section, input the text you'd like to show alongside the price. Customize its color and font size to match your theme. This will appear on the product page, collection page, and home page. Finally, activate the switch to display both prices and hit the Save button. You'll now see the dual prices live on your store, on product page, collection page, and home page. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.